Welcome to Beast Pro. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to delete all songs from Suno AI using a simple step-by-step method that clears your library completely. Step 1. Go to suno.com and log into your account. This is the main platform where your songs are stored and managed. Step 2. Click on Library from the left-hand menu. This is where all your created or saved songs are listed. Step 3. Hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard and click on each song to select them one by one. This allows you to choose multiple songs at once. Step 4. Click the three dots icon that appears after selection and choose Move to Trash. This action sends all selected songs to the trash folder. Step 5. Now click on the trash icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the list of all trash songs. Step 6. Again, hold the Ctrl key and select all songs in the trash one by one. This step prepares them for permanent deletion. Step 7. Click the three dots icon once more and select Delete Permanently. This will remove all the songs from your account forever. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Beast Pro for more helpful tutorials.